Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Young and Uprising. My name is Lawrence Durham. This weekend I'm going to be celebrating my 5th anniversary with my beautiful wife, and today is Friday. Our anniversary will be falling on the 4th of July. It's an interesting date, the American independence. There's different reasons why I chose this date to get married. Today is the 3rd of July and we have already started celebrating. Well, right now I'm just about to go and get my wife from work. She's taking half-day work today, so the first thing we're gonna do is get a place to have some lunch. It's about 12:30 right now, and we have different activities planned for this weekend, so I'm hoping that I can take you guys along with me to see how we go about celebrating our 5th anniversary. So I hope that you all enjoy this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And I don't know what to expect, and I don't know what to tell all you to expect, really. Sometimes you plan to do something and then something else takes place. But anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna be celebrating today, we're gonna be celebrating on Saturday, and then we're going to close it off on Sunday. So celebrate with us. Yeah, like this video and stay tuned. That's my sexy wife. Look how sweet she looks. Click that thumbs up button. We're on lockdown and there's nothing to do. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I went to my wife's workplace. I got her, and yeah, I was planning to actually go somewhere, maybe in the gardens or somewhere, and have the lunch, but for the case of time, we came back home, and right now presently she's having lunch at this moment. Yeah, I'm just about to go and take a shower. Well, I think I'll have my lunch before I take my shower, and then after we have our lunch, it's just maybe prepare ourselves and see what we can do for the afternoon. Our main plan really was to head up to Luda. We might either go to Dubois, we might go to Berry Lake, or we might go to Freshwater Lake. It depends on the amount of time. When our way back down, we're going to head to the Rosa Valley area. And as you know, some of you might not know, but Screws has reopened their doors, so we're going to actually finish the rest of the day at Screws. Fish is having her lunch. But Jay, she even finished all her food already. She was hungry. See Anna, smile to the camera. And I'm right about to go and start having my lunch. What am I having? Yeah, I'm having some baked macaroni and cheese, some potato salad, some rice, some provision, some fish, and some salad there, and with a glass of malt. She basically had the same thing, but instead of the fish, she had chicken. Yeah, so I'm just going to enjoy this lunch and then get myself ready, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, we are set and ready to go. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're going to head up to Luda. This time we'll just go to Dubois because it's literally we go to Dubois, and then on our way back we'll just head to Screws and finish the night in Screws. I rock in a little tooless, old school tooless. Old school now, man. And we're going to do a little photo shot. We might have about 20 minutes of a photo shot to do. I don't dress so much for photo shot. I just a casual dressing. The wife hiding, I go in there. And she afraid the camera like that, a noticing, man. Yeah, we have this rental, naval rental car. That's a rental that opened out not too long ago in Massac. Yeah. They're already waiting in the vehicle for me. She started the vehicle and everything. Say hello, sweetheart. Say happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Okay, so we're in the gardens now. We are going to do a fast photo shoot there. When I get the pictures, I will put them in that video.
No.
This ain't no. Serious, not for the camera. Troublesome woman. This ain't no for. This is GK767. Yeah. You can do a photo shoot for us. A few pictures, we're not much, no? We're gonna do a photo shoot with my toeless. Dressed like a ragamuffin. Well then again, to me a photo shoot is see that? Are they seeing that?
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip.
So we're in Luda and we are almost into Dubois now, I believe. I think so. Yeah. I haven't been there in such a while. We actually had to ask for directions. Yeah, so we're heading to this spot. Yes, I am. I'm traveling Cheshire.
I know we're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Let's go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we don't. It's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, being dumb.
When it comes to coming to Dubois, one of the things most people are afraid of is the cold water. But definitely we're going to face it right now. to cruise right now. Yeah. We're on our way to cruise. We just come out from Dubois. Yeah. That was fun. The water was freezing, so we couldn't stay in the water so long. So it was just touch and go. Right now we're heading to cruise in the warm water. Yeah. Feel like as if we should have done it the other way around, but you know most people like to go in this cruise while the sun going down already. Yeah. We're in the screw. The water looks nice. Okay guys, so we just come out and enjoy our time in Screws. Right now we just stopped by that stone place restaurant right next to Screws, and we're gonna have some fish and fries. Yeah, that's about it. Right now my battery just died, so I don't know what to do right now. Phone is going to go off in any second now. Yeah, my towel on my head because you know I come out from Screws and my hair wet, so I don't want to wet the vehicle. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm back home and it's the next day, and the first thing I'm doing for the morning is roasting a breadfruit. So before we get on the rest of our day, we're gonna have some roast breadfruit and smoked herring. Check this out. Yeah, already stuck up my little breadfruit in the fire. If my breadfruit doesn't burn. Yep. That's the vibes for today.
You want to take it out?
My beautiful wife enjoying her smoke herring hand, roast breadfruit, and smoke herring. See my plate full. Nice, it nice. So we have some cucumbers and some lettuce. Yep. Only my roast breadfruit, once it's made, I roast it. I leave in my skin on it. You know, I just scrape out all the hard part. And I leave in my skin on my roast breadfruit there. I like my skin on my roast breadfruit. That breadfruit now, it wasn't a dry breadfruit. It was almost ripe, so it's actually sweet. But I still enjoying it anyway. But it's nice in its skin. Lily don't really like sweet breadfruit, but she's still enjoying it, don't you? She's still enjoying it. Okay guys, we are almost ready to move. I did not go all out again once again with my dressing. You know, the camera for it. This is it. Nothing much. Yeah, so what we plan to do right now, we plan to go all the way to the Carib territory, visit the Barana Ute, I can't remember the name. The Kalinago Barana Ute, that's the name, right? I think so. Yeah, so we're going to visit there, and then we're going to head to Red Rocks. And we've never been to Red Rocks, so we're just going to check out the vibes at Red Rocks, and then we might be spending the night at Escape restaurant, because they have cottages there. We may have lunch at Escape restaurant. It depends on the time that we get there, because I don't think they doesn't serve dinner. I think they stop serve lunch or whatever. They stop serve meals at 6. Yeah, so that's where we're heading to, and that's basically the day.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, city lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid.
Okay, so we have gotten to the Kalinago Barana Ute. Yeah, a rain started falling a while ago, but as we reached there, the rain stopped, so that's nice. Right now we're walking down to sea, and there's Lily behind me. Walking down to see what's happening. You see, right now I'm seeing 2 people there walking down. You like my shoes? It's a really interesting place. Okay, so apparently it doesn't open on Saturdays, but at least we're still free to walk around and to see the beauty of the place.
So take me on a trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid.
It looks like we'll have to come back there sometime in the future when there is open. At least we can still see certain things. And this tree here is a sockpop tree. I came here after Hurricane Maria to do a damage assessment, and that place was miserable. Hey, look at that, that's a purple one, man. Interesting. Nice. I like fruits, especially natural fruits. There's also a sea grape tree. I don't know if it have any ripe sea grapes on it. Seen that? Sea grape tree. Not one ripe sea grape. Check out this view. Wow, the sea have a lot of seaweed.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
Such a beautiful
We don't
place.
need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. And see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done.
The stage for the dancers.
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright.
Calibishie right now. We're just heading up the road to hopefully Red Rocks because we have never been there. We see a sign down the road saying Escape Bar and Red Rocks, so we're just following the road inside there. And it looks like there's a bar. Yep. Yeah. Where are we going? Where are we going? Escape. Oh, there's another sign saying good food, food there.
You and I, the future is bright.
The only thing is that it's raining. It's raining. It's like I think there's a storm. It's windy and it's raining. It's not hot when we left home. That's just a different parts of where are we? Oh no. Escape bar. We there. We are heading to the escape bar now.
Stupid, being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now, trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out.
This is a beautiful room. It's a little dark. That's basically that's all. But it's a nice big bed just for me and my beautiful wife. Nice wooden flooring. You know, the only thing is that it doesn't have much light. And yeah, they give us the internet password, so definitely we'll be online. Open up. There's a little balcony here. There's a little balcony. Just a little balcony overviewing. Enjoying yourself to that? She doesn't know if she's enjoying herself. It's a nice little cozy room. Not totally what I expected, but it's nice. Okay, so now when we're done settling in, we're going to head down to Red Rock. Yeah, we've never been there, so that's where we're going. Yep. Okay, so we are now waiting on our lunch right now. We ordered something simple. Yeah, it's a beautiful place though. Yeah, we're just having one drink. We're gonna share one shandy in the meantime. And here is Lily enjoying herself. Our flooring is basically sand. Lily doesn't want to take out her shoe. Take out your shoe. Feel the sand. You know, we have some people over there, and it's a beautiful place though. Yeah. Of course I want. And she started to suck. Everything has go one time, eh? So tell me, what do you think about this place? Enjoying yourself so far? Alright. It's a nice place, it's cool. It's not too bad. Yeah. But again, what can you say now? What can you say about your anniversary now? That's the best anniversary you've ever had? Huh? You don't know? Let's say something. Obviously we don't want to downgrade. We want to make it much better every time. So we expect better to come. True. And I'm happy. How are you back in others when we come to, and now you come in and share the sentiments? See that little man there? When we come there, it was the back in stage. Come. Okay, so our meal is here. I'm having a vegetarian meal. It's basically chickpeas with vegetable rice and flat homemade bread. What's the name of the bread? And then I also have some wedges. And Lily's having a chicken burger with some wedges and some veggie. Yeah. And we're going to enjoy that. We also have a glass of passion fruit juice. Okay, so I just got up in the middle of the night. Lily is still fast asleep. You can see her in the background there. Yeah, well, our trip to Red Rocks was basically spoiled because when we finished had our lunch, a serious shower of rain just started falling, and I looking outside and the rain is actually still pouring outside. Well, now and again you hear it falling. I think it slightly stopped now, but yeah, but hopefully, but the good thing is we spending the night there, so hopefully we'll go at Red Rocks tomorrow morning. So we'll see how that goes. Let's hope it doesn't have a pouring rain like it was. So, and then we just came in, we just lie down, and we knock out. I guess we was a little tired. I guess it was a good thing. And yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay, so when I get up in the morning, I left Lily fast asleep, and I decided to go and enjoy the sunrise and take a fast sea bath. Yeah, the sea was really nice.
The reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways.
Anyway guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. We're just about wrapping up our anniversary celebration right now. It's Sunday morning. It's about 10 o'clock now in the morning, and it's about 10:30 minutes to 11. We're going to have breakfast in the restaurant downstairs, and then after breakfast we might just stick around for maybe another 20-25 minutes, and then we're going to head home. It was nice being here. We just come from Red Rocks, you know, as you all just saw. Yeah, it was nice being there. I think that's the most we have done for our anniversary since. Yeah, I feel like 5 was a significant number, so I wanted to do something different. Maybe you don't want to say something? She just there. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I trust that you all enjoyed this video. I know this video wasn't so dramatic, or you know, but at least you all saw the different scenes that we went through throughout the past 3 days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So until next time. That's my sexy wife. Look how sweet she looks. Click that thumbs up button. We're on lockdown and there's nothing to do.